The 11-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile cleaning tool that effectively tackles various surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets, using high-temperature steam. Equipped with a 23-foot power cord, this steam cleaner allows you to clean large areas without the hassle of frequently changing outlets. With its 3 adjustable steam settings, you can easily customize the steam output to suit different cleaning tasks, ensuring a thorough and chemical-free cleaning experience. The Steam Mop features a large 450 milliliter water tank that provides up to 30 minutes of continuous steam, minimizing the need for frequent refills. Designed with an adjustable height and ergonomic handle, this Steam Mop offers comfortable and effortless cleaning, especially for those with back concerns. The inclusion of reusable microfiber pads and a carpet glider makes it easy to lift stubborn stains and grime, enhancing its efficiency across multiple floor types.